Hi, this is Whitney Tarkington. So our assignment this week was to build a Liribot. So what is Liri? Liri is a node.js command line application that uses user commands to return music, movie, and concert information. So for my Liribot, I also included a command feature to pull tweets from my Twitter feed. What this project is really illustrating is the power of packages in application development, and boy, did we get exposure to that this week. Pretty exciting stuff. So for this project, I'm using the npm Axios package to pull movie data from IMDB, the npm node Spotify API package to retrieve song information, and I'm making a call to bandsintown for concerts, and I'm using the Twitter package to receive recent tweets. So let's have a look at the bot in action. First, give you a quick house tour. So I have my vars to retrieve the supporting packages and other supporting files that are needed for the bot to work. I also have two vars for input. Of course, these start with 2 and 3 because 0 and 1 are the commands. And then we have our switch statement, which has my various commands for pulling tweets, songs, movies, concerts, and then we'll get to do what it says. That was an interesting part of the assignment that illustrates running a command from a separate text file, so we'll get into that. I have my movie this function to show movie information. We'll get to do what it says. That's reading a command from a text file. It's from this random txt file. A function to pull concert information. And then I did an extra function just to pull my tweets. And finally, I have a function for pulling songs from Spotify. So let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, I'm going to open this in my terminal. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull up a song first. So the simple command is node Liri Spotify this song, and then the name of the song. Okay. And of course, I am partial to Frank Sinatra's version of Witchcraft. It's a fun song that never seems to go out of style. So that's my fave. Okay. And then let's go ahead and take a look at bands in town. So for that, that's node Liri concert this. And there's a new artist that I've been exploring, interesting pop culture figure called Poppy. I really like her concrete video. I'd love to see her in concert. So let's see where she's playing. Oh, looks like she's going to be in Phoenix, Arizona today. So if I caught a quick flight, I might be able to see her do that live. Okay, let's go ahead and pull up some movie information. So Liri, movie this. I'm partial to the old Dumbo, not the new Dumbo. Let's see if it, oh, let's try that again. Node Liri, movie this. Let's see if it does. Pulls up the one that I like. Now you'll notice that there is an error here. It was a bug I wasn't able to fix before the assignment was due. We'll get into that in just a second. It does pull up the movie information and my favorite one, which is the 1941. The newest Dumbo is not good. I wouldn't recommend that. But the old one is delightful and darling. And sometimes I feel like Dumbo learning to fly in this class. My big ears. Okay, so to get to the error information, what the application is trying to do is it's running through the script and it's hitting the term venue that's in another function. It's in my concert function, and it's saying, we don't know what this is. I was not able to fix that in time. So I wanted to go back and take a look at that later. Okay, now we get to an interesting one. This is kind of a bonus one that I did, which I saw in other Liribots, which is to pull up my tweets. So node Liri, my tweets. And then finally, we get to a pretty interesting function now, which pulls a command from a text file. And I found this pretty fascinating. So the command is node Liri do what it says. Let's just see what this does, right? Well, what it's doing is it's pulling up a bunch of songs. So it's the Spotify command of Spotify this song, but instead of pulling the command from the command line, it's pointing to random text, the random txt file, which has the Spotify this song command, and I Want It That Way was the song that was requested for the assignment. And that's about it. That is my Liribot. So if you have any questions or want to contact me, find out more, you're most welcome to. All right, that's all for now. Thanks a lot.